This is mom and dad eating some balot eggs. So that we can make it more
Yummy, Asher.
The best. I like it.
Oops, sorry.
Oops. Put some suka, Asher. It's called vinegar, spicy vinegar.
Spicy vinegar.
Yeah.
Next time, bilhin mo sa akin beef Pinoy din. Pinoy.
Pinoy.
Tara ka Pinoy. Sarap ka ng Pinoy.
Pure egg siya. Minsan kasi yung Pinoy. Yung yung murag daot ba?
Can you get the
Do you know what's called is it, Asher?
The what?
This egg. It's called balot.
Balot?
Yes. Ooh. See that?
Yeah.
It's called balot. Yeah. So good.
Ako lang.
You need some spices to make it taste better. No?
How much eggs do we have left? Only one.
I only buy 4 of them. So for mom, 2 for me.
So when the video is done, I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, yeah. Good. This egg is a little bit big. Lumanya, ubo ka pala? Oo. Yan.
Sorry guys.
Tama na yan, video. Last one pa daw sa video, mama. Video pa daw sa kay papa. Video mo ba sa papa?
Opo.
Now, let me see this egg. See this egg? So yummy. And I got some here, vinegar. See vinegar here?
Yep. Like mom's eating another.
Yeah, you can video me. This is my last egg.
That's your last egg?
Yeah. I like it.
Almost done eating, Dad?
Yes. I'm done. May brush pa ako.
Done?
You done?